how to make your own microwave cupcake.
Okay, I'm sure you've all heard of those really cool microwavable cupcakes in a mug. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make those. Okay, your ingredients that you need is going to be a nice mug to put it in, some icing, flour, peanut butter, and some sugar. But last but not least, some sugar. Okay, so put the sugar in the microwave for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours of waiting, part of our cupcake is already done. You're going to add that liquefied peanut butter I told you about. Now add some icing. Okay, I'll sprinkle some flour. Okay, now you're going to freeze it. The freezing process gives it a nice frozen taste. After 2 hours, it should start looking a lot yummier. And then we're going to microwave it once more, but only for 2 milliseconds this time. Okay, after a few milliseconds, you get a lovely cupcake. And taste test here. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope this taught you how to make your own microwavable cupcake.
This is a hill time, locked out of heaven. When you're ready, come get it. Subscribe right now. Go click the button without blinking. Now, right now.